and welcome to this episode of Web3 Salon by Formless. Today we're going to be talking about oracles. Decentralized oracles help connect off-chain external data and APIs to the blockchain. In other words, oracles provide a framework for smart contracts to access data that is uncertain or unavailable from information on-chain. This data can be anything from price information to weather reports and more. In this way, oracles act as a bridge between the blockchain and the off-chain world. So, why do you need an oracle? Smart contracts provide a new way to create new decentralized applications. However, smart contracts generally do not have access to real-world information, such as data on the network or any data that needs to be obtained through an API. This is a major hurdle for large-scale adoption of the entire dApp ecosystem, as data is required for almost all technical aspects. For example, decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, cannot correctly calculate the amount of collateral required for leveraged trading without access to the underlying asset price. Now we talk about how oracles work. Oracles act as middleware between datasets and the blockchain. The oracle makes queries to external resources on the blockchain to which it is connected, and the oracle then verifies the required data through its internal security framework, and then relays it to the requesting blockchain client. This data is actually received by the blockchain through external transactions, which ensures that all nodes connected to the chain share this information to verify the next transaction. Now let's talk about the types of oracles. In a nutshell, an oracle is only as good as its data source. Therefore, we can differentiate oracle types based on the source of data, the direction of the information, and the level of trust it represents. There are presently software oracles, hardware oracles, inbound oracles, outbound oracles, and smart contract specific oracles. Software oracles process information originating from online sources on the internet, such as databases and servers. Since this information is available online in real time via an API, software oracles can continuously request and feed data. Therefore, software oracles are the most common type of blockchain oracles. Hardware oracles are devices such as electronic sensors, monitors, and barcode scanners that translate real-world events from the Internet of Things, or IoT, into data on the blockchain. For example, sensors can track the weather and transmit the data to the blockchain. Inbound oracles enable smart contracts to receive data from the outside world. Instead, outbound oracles enable smart contracts to send data to the outside world. For example, when a blockchain address receives a certain amount of tokens, something can be activated in the outside world. Smart contract specific oracles are customized to provide information to individual smart contracts. Although these oracles are expensive to maintain, they serve specific use cases, so they provide a flexible environment for developers where they can customize oracles for certain requirements. Oracles have become an essential part of internal and external communications in open networks. Today, large networks of different oracles support the functionality of many important cryptocurrency projects. Without oracles, DeFi projects would have to rely solely on the information available in their network, which would greatly limit their capabilities in a multi-blockchain future, including cross-chain transactions. For example, Injective relies on a set of decentralized oracles to provide the most accurate prices for the trading market. Therefore, we partner with oracles like Band Protocol and Chainlink to provide a reliable source of truth. And this is important to note that even in a decentralized environment, oracles are not completely infallible. Therefore, it is the responsibility of the blockchain projects to diversify the oracle network that they rely on to minimize the probability of errors. This is one of the many reasons why Injective works closely with multiple oracle providers. Alright, if you guys thought this video was helpful, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next one.